Hello YouTube family, it's me Milan and welcome to my channel Technological Facts. If you are a new YouTube creator and want to hide your subscribers, then you are in a right platform. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide subscribers count of your channel in your Android in 2020. And before moving on to the video, let me tell you why you should hide your subscribers count of your channel if you are a beginner. The main point is of audience impression. Whoever visits your channel, he or she first of all checks the amount of subscribers of your channel. And if you are a new YouTube creator and if you have less amount of subscribers, then the viewer will not subscribe your channel thinking that you have less amount of subscribers because you don't have any knowledge. On the other hand, if you have more amount of subscribers, then the viewers can't stop themselves to subscribe your channel thinking that you are full of knowledge, that's why you have more subscribers. Likewise, the amount of subscribers on your channel greatly affects the thinking of viewers. That's why hiding your subscribers is the only way to get more subscribers in the beginning. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your subscribers count of your channel in 2020. That's why watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos at first. So, without any wasted of time, let's start the video. So, to hide your subscribers, first of all, you should go to the Chrome browser of your Android. Then after, you should click on the three dot option at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and here you should enable desktop site option. After that, you should go to the youtube.com. And here you should click on the profile option at the top right corner of your mobile screen. And now you should click on the YouTube Studio option. After opening YouTube Studio, the user interface will be like this. Here you should click on the setting option at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. After clicking on setting option, you can see many settings here, but among these you should click on the channel setting. And then after, you can see four options here. One is basic information, and another is advanced settings, another is branding, and another is feature eligibility. But you should click on the advanced setting option, and if you scroll down, then you will be able to see an option named subscribers count. If you check this option, then your subscribers will be shown of your channel, and on the other hand, if you uncheck this option, then your subscribers will be hidden from your channel. Then after, you should click on the save option and your chances will be saved. And to prove that my subscribers are hidden from my channel, let me go to my channel dashboard. And as you can see, my subscribers are hidden. Likewise, you can also hide your subscribers count from your channel. This much for today. Hope you like this video, and if you found this video a little bit helpful for you, then do not forget to share this video and give it up a big thumbs up, and do comment down about your thinking about this video. Stay safe, stay home, bye bye.